Hey there, and welcome back to my home. I can't wait to show you my Halloween house tour.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in full.
I think one of my favorite things about Halloween is that I love decorating with themes, whether it's a party and entertaining or just decorating my home. So I just love pulling out all of my old things and saying hello to my little friends, like the Bride of Frankenstein here. I actually didn't really add much to this year's outdoor decor except for that buffalo checked rug. I think I found that at Hobby Lobby. Oh, and these mums. They are artificial, and aren't they beautiful? They're perfect for me because I work so much, and then by the time I get home, I don't feel like watering my plants. So, anyway, they were a perfect touch to my front porch. So, let's go inside. I can't wait to show you. If you saw my previous video, you would have seen me decorate my entry, and I just love it. It's so cute. I was able to pull out some of my old decor and use it in a new way, and it's just so cute. And here in my hall, on this little table, I just added some more little Halloween touches. And that barn quilt autumn one that I made back there. It's so cute. I just love this brick wall. That plate, the one that kind of represents or looks a little like Mackenzie Childs, not so much, but a little bit. I painted at one of those paint your own pottery places and wanted to do it in the Mackenzie Childs fashion, but give it a little Halloween flair to it. So that's what I did, and it turned out pretty cute. I take it out every year. Here's another one of those boxes that came in that set of 3, and you'll see on my mantle where I used it, the other one. But I love the colors in it. It's very primitive, but it's so nice, and it elevates anything that I'm trying to lift up on the table. One of the things that we found at that estate sale last year were these pillows. They're very primitive in nature, and my mother actually had picked them up for herself. But at the end of the season last year, she asked me if I wanted them, and I took them gladly. I found this jack-o'-lantern at a thrift store nearby my home, and I just felt it was so lucky to find it. I think I paid $8. I was so excited to use this Afghan. It reminds me of Roseanne, the old sitcom, but I found it at an estate sale some time ago, and it was in the pictures, and I went to that estate sale just for that. And I got a good deal on it, and it's so cute, and whenever I get a chance, I take it out. So whenever I work on my mantle, I like to use themes. At Christmas time, I'll do like a tree theme or just whatever the case may be. This year, I thought it would be so cute to do a pumpkin patch. And so I peeled out every pumpkin that I had, well, that would fit on the mantle, and put it up here. I even found these bottle brush trees that were Halloween themed and put some of them in a punch cup. Is that right? Yeah. And then another one of those amber glasses that I had. and it just put a little lift in them so that you could see them, and it turned out so cute. I love it. I love how it looked. I put a pumpkin jack-o'-lantern plate that I had, and all the little pumpkins. I love it. So one of the things I like to purchase every season are new napkins. I didn't use the ones I purchased this year in my kitchen, but I use them to line my baskets, and it adds a little bit of color and a little bit of the season to whether it be the holidays, the Christmas time, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Easter, you name it. It just adds that little bit of color. And these I had from last year, and I loved how they looked, especially when I found that picture of the pumpkin in the background. I was at the Round Top Collection store in the Woodlands, and they have so many cute items that when I saw this, I knew it'd be perfect for the fall and for Halloween. I also found this platter here in the background. When I was at the grocery store, believe it or not, I was at Kroger, and they had in their like housewares section displayed these beautiful fall harvest dishes, and I knew I had to have one. I had actually purchased the mug a few weeks before, and I had to go back and get a platter, and then I went back and got a pitcher. So I think I'm done with that collection. I'll probably just blend in like orange and black from now on, but they're so pretty, and they add a just amount of Halloween and harvest and Thanksgiving, so I'm pleased. If you saw my last video, you would have seen me decorate my china cabinet. I'm pleased with the way it looks. I'm so glad that I was able to decorate with my grandmother's pinch bowl up there. I think a story that I'd heard is that she collected those green stamps, and she was able to purchase this pinch bowl with it. And I just think it's so awesome, the story behind it. And I remember seeing it in her house above her shelves. And when she gave it to me, I just couldn't be happier. We've used it a couple of times for birthday parties, and it's so cute. But I'm glad it's displayed, and I'm really happy that I have it. So anyway, in the center of my table, here's another one of those napkins I used to decorate with. And that's pretty much it. I love this season. I love all of the color. And I love how now my cabinets are just a little more neutral with the grayish color I painted it. And it makes me happy. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for watching my videos and commenting and leaving a thumbs up or a like. I couldn't be happier, and I can't wait to show you some of the things I do for the holidays and all of the things I have planned for next year.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself